So this is an upcycling project that we have undertaken. We have a friend who owns a footwear manufacturing unit, and these containers we saw were going as scrap, and we thought we'll make use of it. Hello Nimble Terrace family. Today we are going to transplant multi-layered jasmine into this pot. Taking a fairly large container. As you see, we already have a lot of dried leaves and mulch. So these are the two saplings that we will be planting. First, let's add a layer of vermicompost and coco peat. Taking the soil from one of our old pots into this particular mix. A lot of people ask us whether reusing the soil is actually beneficial. This is one of the reasons why we reuse the soil, because of the earthworms in it. So this is the multi-layered jasmine sapling. So this is 12 rounds. If in case you can see, the flower is pretty huge. So we're covering the soil with another, also a hybrid. We're covering the soil with another layer of vermicompost and coco peat mix so that the nutrition is intact. So this is a perfect weather. As you can see, it is raining.